Hey guys, this is Mike with a fireworks stash update. Just a little one. I just got back from my fireworks stand. I just picked up a few things. I got this pack, assorted smoke with red, yellow, and purple. Got the two of these color pearls by Black Cat. I guess it's, I don't know, 48 shots. Two of those. And I bought this box of smokes. So, 6 ball. How many were in the box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 12 of them in a box. They're by Black Cat. They only last for 11 seconds each. I know it's small, but I figure I'd do it anyway. Okay. Have a happy 4th of July, and I'll see you on the shooting site on the 4th. Peace.